Hello, thank you to TJ because he's recording. This is my review of the Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers Mexican style street corn. I'm about to put it in the microwave. It says you don't need to vent the film. You just stick it in there for 4 to 5 minutes, and then you just, after it's done, dump the food into the sauce because the food is separated from the bottom with like a little mini bowl on the inside. It is cooking. It's cooking for 4.5 minutes. I don't know anything that rhymes with minutes. Oh wait, it'll take 4.5 minutes, and after that it will be finished. Just got done. Look at that, look at that, look at that clean microwave that I just cleaned. And also the food. So you take it, after you took the film off, and you, ooh, you can see it's steaming. Looks pretty decent, actually. So I've got it all in there. Now you just stir it up, as per the instructions. I don't know what to think about this so far. Or I don't know what to expect because it's Mexican street style corn. I've only ever had, TJ's version of that, and that is just like corn on the cob with mayonnaise and paprika. So, oh, and then Parmesan cheese. So it's like an American version. I've never had a real version. But I don't know if this is the same kind of thing, though. Alright. It's pretty average. Tastes good, texture's pretty decent, especially for the chicken. For microwave meat, or a microwave meal, the chicken in here is a lot better than a lot of things. The texture isn't really chewy or spongy or, it's definitely not like if you just cooked yourself some chicken. You can tell it's in a frozen meal. And it does have that texture that most meat has when it's in a frozen meal, especially when it's full pieces like this and not ground up. But it's a lot less noticeable than a lot of other things, so it's got black beans, it's got corn. I will say there's 5 pieces of chicken total that are about this big, I think. So all in all, you get about 5 bites of chicken. And then, the pepper also is it looks like they took maybe 1 or 2 small little peppers and then cut them up. But there are plenty of black beans and corn. And there's enough chicken and pepper in it to matter. It's just there's not a whole lot of that stuff in it. It's pretty decent, especially considering it was less than $3. But it's kind of bland. The taste is good, but it's not a very strong taste, and then also it just kind of tastes generic. It doesn't really scream Mexican food or anything. It just kind of tastes like a bunch of stuff put together that works nicely, but For around $3, I think this is definitely a lot better of a snack or something than like beef jerky. Because beef jerky is probably going to be like $6, and or like potato chips or something. I think it's like pretty good compared to stuff like that, but if you're like actually comparing it to a meal, obviously it's never going to be as good as something that you just make on your own. But especially considering it's like less than $3, I'd say it's like an 8 or 9 out of 10. Now it is 7:30 in the morning, and this is the first thing I'm gonna eat because I'm really hungry, and yeah, I'm kind of lazy and stuff. So last night I had those, and now I'm having this. I'm watching true crime in the background, but anyway, here's what it looks like after it was in the microwave for about 4 minutes. So now I just gotta stir it up and put it back in for 2 minutes. I'm gonna sit out here and eat my food on the balcony. It's a rainy morning, but it's kind of nice. There's what my food looks like. Oh no, my camera. That's better. This one's really good. It's got a little bit of a bite to it, like it's slightly spicy. But I feel like it's just because there's like a lot of black peppercorn or something. I guess it's not really spicy, but that pepper flavor is just really strong. This one's like a 10 out of 10. It's the best one that I've gotten. It's a Marie Callender's. It was only $2.89. For $2.89, this is really good. I mean, if this was in a Noodles and Company container or a Panera Bread container and I was told that it was from one of them, I'd definitely buy it. I don't know how this compares. No, stop doing that. I don't know how this compares with like other options like that in terms of nutrition and everything, but in terms of price, cannot be beat.